Hello, it's me, Annie, and I'm back. This was what I ended with for last week, and I filled in all my stuff, added a little bit of washi at the bottom just because it needed something there, and I'm ready to start my next week, planning ahead for September, and I'm going to be using Marvy, and I'm using stuff from my stash. So again, crashing my stash. I'm using just some leftover bits and bobs from my stash. Some stickers. I'm trying to do stuff without a lot of stickers this time, and just using up pieces of scraps. So this happened to be some apples that I had left over from a sticker sheet from Creative Memories. And I used a piece of just leftover paper that I had and a little bit of music, and I decided I'm going to stick that up here in the corner. And we'll slide that in the glue a little bit. And I might end up, using some ink later on to ink it. And down in this corner I have these beautiful little fairies that I have had forever. I looked on the page and it said 2005. These are I can't read that, it's so tiny, but it is was from the estate of Cicely Mary Baker and published by, it says Frederick Warren Company, Flower Fairies. And I know I've seen like the different ones, different people put them out on their junk journals. Like I said, I've had these forever, didn't know what to do with them. So I finally cut them all out, and I'm just going to add them here and there. I do love them. I just didn't realize it was the ones that everybody loved so much. And I'm going to put this one because everything I'm doing has kind of a yellow-orange to it. I'm going to put this little guy here. I thought he was really cute. He's just kind of sitting there cool. And on this, like I said, I'm using this color Marvy Le Plume. It's an old one. It's brown. Just a little flat with that brown, so I'm going to take my Marvy number 7 orange Le Plume, and because it's beautiful fall colors, we aren't into fall quite yet, but it feels like we're getting there. I'm going to do some of this on like every other one. These are my old markers. And I'm just trying to use these puppies up. Now, just like I said, this does not have to be perfect. It's for me. It's for me to find joy in. And it's my anniversary. Grace. I think we all need to give ourselves some grace when we don't feel good, when we're healing. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to take care of yourself. Take time. Give yourself some grace. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I hope you have a great week.